Union Budget 2024-25. Key priorities and highlights. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the highlights of the Union Budget 2024-25, which lays out a comprehensive plan for India's development. This year's budget focuses on 9 key priorities, paving the way for new opportunities across the nation. However, in this video, we'll be exploring the significant announcements that promise to shape the future of real estate investment. Before we get started, make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's begin with the 9 key priorities of the Union Budget 2024-25. They are productivity and resilience in agriculture, employment and skilling, inclusive human resource development and social justice, manufacturing and service, urban development, energy security, infrastructure, innovation, research and development, and finally, next generation reforms. Now, what does the nation's capital expenditure look like? Let's find out. The total capital expenditure for 2024-25 is projected to be 11.1 trillion Indian rupees, reflecting a 16.9% increase over the revised estimates for 2023-24. This figure remains unchanged from the interim budget announced in February 2024. Moreover, effective capital expenditure is estimated at 15.01 trillion Indian rupees, marking an 18.2% increase from the previous year. When looking at the total expenditure, India's total expenditure for 2024-25 is estimated at 48.2 trillion Indian rupees. This substantial allocation underscores the government's commitment to driving growth and development across various sectors. Next, let's take a closer look at the suggestions for urban development. In order to enable loans at reasonable interest rates, an interest subsidy provision is planned. Also, laws and policies that facilitate the establishment of transparent, effective rental housing markets with increased availability will be implemented. Another suggested update is on urban land reforms. The FM also announced that urban land records will be digitized with GIS mapping, and that an IT-based system for property records and tax administration will be established. This move aims to improve the financial position of urban local bodies. Moving on to the financial aspect, let's look closer at the simplification and rationalization of capital gains. So, capital gains taxation will be simplified as follows. Short-term gains will now attract a 20% tax on certain financial assets. On the other hand, long-term gains will attract a 12.5% tax on all financial and non-financial assets. For lower and middle income classes, the FM proposed an exemption limit for certain financial assets to be increased to 1.25 lakhs per year. Remember that, listed financial assets held for over a year will be classified as long-term, while unlisted and non-financial assets require a minimum 2-year holding period to be classified as long-term. Now, let's move on to the personal income tax revisions. There are 2 major changes for those opting for the new tax regime. First is the standard deduction increase from 50,000 rupees to 75,000 rupees for salaried employees, and from 15,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees for family pensioners. Second is the new tax regime, which is proposed as follows. The Union Budget 2024-25 brings forward substantial reforms and allocations aimed at boosting various sectors and supporting economic growth. That's all from us for today. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for our latest video updates by subscribing to our channel.